Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file using your non-dominant hand. First, select an e-filing software that offers a clear, intuitive layout. Many platforms are designed for ease of use, which is perfect for this task. Next, spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself with the interface. Practice clicking and typing with your non-dominant hand to build comfort and speed. Consider using your computer's built-in accessibility options, such as voice control or on-screen keyboards, to further assist you. Setting up your workspace correctly is crucial for a smooth e-filing experience. Adjust your monitor and keyboard so they are easily reachable and comfortable for your non-dominant hand. An ergonomic mouse or trackball can make a significant difference, as many models are ambidextrous or specifically designed for left-handed use. Good lighting is also essential to prevent eye strain, especially when you're focusing on detailed forms. Take short breaks to rest your eyes and hands, maintaining comfort throughout. Now, let's walk through the e-filing process itself. Begin by gathering all your essential documents, such as your Form W-2, Form 1099, and any other relevant tax statements. When entering information, take your time and focus on accuracy. It's easy to make small errors, so double-check each field before moving on. Remember to save your progress regularly. This prevents any loss of data due to unexpected interruptions, ensuring your hard work is preserved. Before you hit that submit button, perform a comprehensive review of all your entered data. Look for any typos, incorrect numbers, or missed fields. It's also vital to confirm your bank account details if you're expecting a direct deposit or making a payment. Accuracy here prevents delays or issues. And hey, while you're taking care of business, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.